Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining this video where we focus on improving your mobile browsing experience using the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Today, I will show you how to automatically close tabs in Vivaldi. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. Then, inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Tabs and tap on it to continue. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Automatically Close Tabs. Now choose the time period that fits your needs, such as 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months. Finally, once selected, Vivaldi will automatically close all tabs based on your chosen time without any extra action from you. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who use Vivaldi.